gift ever. Oh! Thank you, John. Thank you, John! Thank you, get the glass cup. Kev? Yeah? Yeah? Sean, thank you very much. John, thank you. We're 23 in the league. We're 23 in the league still. I got aggression for days today. I really need to know. Dennis, you're not talking to me on WhatsApp or WhatsApp. Guess I won't be the title gifter of the Interstellar anymore. Herwin? Quit playing. Know how you're feeling tonight. Sorry. How are we feeling? Oh, people aren't feeling so good. How are we feeling? No, I see you, Charlie. I see you. Whoa. John? Hey. We've got like 17 people answering the poll. Come on. Leaning towards good. That's good. I'm in love. Join the queue, baby. My dog likes you. Run to the wall. Did I not? Send me a universe if you're going to request these things. Crikey. I'm great. I knew that. But how are you? Morning bloody. Excuse me. Also, what do we think of the nails? Do we love? Do we hate? Yes, if you like them. No, if you don't. Keep it real with me. It's okay if you don't like them. Cute. Love it. Okay, thank you. Weather is taking a turn. I know, but we keep it pushing. You look amazing. You look amazing. Stop it. Nails good. Okay, thank you. Love the nails. Thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Got to wrap his whopper. Okay. Nails a fetch. Hey, I see what you did there. Fees. Thank you. Sorry, I was picking my joke for 100k. Nail good. Oh, I know someone also that nails good. Like your earrings. Thank you. Keep it coming now. Taking my dog to the vet. Oh, I hope your dog's alright. That's a bit sad. Sorry, John. Best wishes. I hope it's just a checkup. I don't know, do dogs have checkups? I don't know, I've never had one, but you have a great day. And thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the hello. Thank you for your existence. Thank you very much. Hope the dog's okay. And yourself, of course. Oof. Hold on a minute. I need to work on that. That does look kind of ugly, actually. Bounce on it politely. I thought we'd got over that. Tell me that again! I dare you! Thank you for the gifts, but you've got to stop. Low-key, that hurt my throat.